The cell-free protein expression system represents a groundbreaking advancement in protein synthesis, offering a rapid and efficient method in a controlled setting. The coli cell-free protein expression kit provides all necessary components for transcription and translation, allowing researchers to swiftly produce large quantities of proteins. Leveraging the capabilities of T7 transcription and E. coli translation machinery, this innovative system ensures consistent and reliable results. With its user-friendly design and versatility, the E. coli cell-free protein expression kit is facilitating significant discoveries in the realm of molecular biology and exemplifies a promising direction for future advancements.
By providing more than 7,000 high-quality products and services, SBS GeneTech has empowered researchers in over 60 countries, resulting in over 4,500 publications in prestigious journals such as Science, Cell, and Cell Metabolism. From China, for the world, for superior biology services since 2000.